In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add buttons to your online store or website using Mozello. Mozello offers two main ways to add buttons in your content. The first one is simply adding a button in any text block. So how to do that? You find a text field where you want to add the button, you click in it and find the plus button in the toolbar and you will see a text insert button. Click on the text and you will see that the new button has been created. The next step is to enter the text for the button by simply writing, for example, shop now. Regarding the button, you have to make it actually work and make sure that it sends your clients to your desired location. So to do that, you select the link icon and then you can select the page where you want the button to send. In this case, it's the shop, and click on the button insert link. So that is the first way how you can add buttons to your Mozello website. Let's look at the second way. For example, we see a content block here that is actually a banner. To add buttons to banner blocks, for example, you have to find the settings icon on the right top corner of the content block. Click on it and you will see two options, primary button and secondary button. Once you check those, the buttons will appear and you can simply enter the text just like before, and by clicking on the link, again, you can choose to where this button will send. For example, let's select About Us and let's change the text to Learn More. And this one could be Contact Us. And let's link it to the contacts page. So this is how you add buttons to your Mozello website or online store.